Lazy Louisiana children, take one.
Our kids are gonna blow away. Where are they going? Y'all need to stay where we can see y'all fly away. I need a witness. You know what I mean?
Now, whose dog is this? This some
Crazy. Who would let their dog out in this storm? I mean,
irresponsible people.
we should report them for letting their dog out in the storm.
No, leave your shirt on. Go play.
Look, I knew them people was trash when they moved in.
Look at no, JoJo has his shirt on. Go with your shirt.
Oh my God! Look at the water. I didn't realize there was that much water the kids were getting in here.
Oh yeah, I know that lady across the street's probably saying that. I'm calling child protection in the morning.
They're running with the wind and they're going against the wind.
No, you don't need your swim trunks. No sheets. No, you're not getting a sheet. Lord.